Welcome to the vast, arid landscapes of southern Africa, where one of nature's most charismatic and intriguing creatures thrives, the meerkat. These small social mammals have captured the fascination of researchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike, thanks to their intelligence, complex social structure, and remarkable ability to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. A meerkat, scientifically known as Suricata suricata, are members of the mongoose family. They are found predominantly in the deserts and scrublands of Botswana, Namibia, South Africa, and Angola. Standing at just about 25 to 35 centimeters or 10 to 14 inches tall, these creatures are built for desert life, equipped with sharp claws for digging and a unique dark patch around their eyes to reduce sun glare. Meerkats are diurnal, meaning they're most active during the day. They start their mornings by basking in the sun to warm up before heading out to forage. Their burrow systems, which can be up to several meters deep, provide refuge from extreme temperatures and predators at night. One of the most fascinating aspects of meerkats is their highly structured social system. They live in groups called mobs, clans, or gangs, which can consist of up to 50 individuals. Within these tight-knit communities, cooperation is key. Meerkats work together to find food, care for young, and protect each other from predators. At the heart of every group is a dominant breeding pair, often the alpha male and female, who take on leadership roles. Other members of the group contribute by acting as babysitters, sentinels, or foragers. Sentinels in particular take turns standing on their hind legs, scanning the surroundings for potential dangers such as eagles, hawks, and jackals. Meerkats also engage in play, which helps reinforce social bonds and teach young ones essential skills. Grooming is another social activity, strengthening relationships among members and reducing tension within the group. Life in the desert is not easy, and meerkats have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive. They primarily feed on insects, spiders, scorpions, and small vertebrates. Thanks to their immunity to certain venomous bites, meerkats can hunt and consume scorpions with little risk. They use their sharp claws to dig into the earth, uncovering hidden prey and constructing elaborate burrow systems that provide shelter from extreme temperatures and predators. Communication plays a crucial role in their survival. Meerkats use an intricate system of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to convey messages. Alarm calls alert the group to imminent threats, while softer calls maintain cohesion during foraging expeditions. Some vocalizations even indicate the specific type of predator approaching, allowing the group to react accordingly. Another fascinating survival tactic is cooperative mob defense. When faced with a predator, meerkats will often band together, puffing up their fur and emitting loud calls to intimidate the threat. This strategy can deter even larger predators from attacking. Reproduction is central to the survival of any species, and in meerkat society, it is a group effort. While the dominant pair produces most of the offspring, subordinate females may occasionally breed as well. However, due to the hierarchical nature of the group, only the alpha female's young are usually permitted to survive. Newborn meerkats are blind and helpless at birth. They remain in the safety of the burrow for the first few weeks of life, relying on other members of the mob to bring them food and teach them essential survival skills. Young meerkats are often seen mimicking adults, practicing hunting techniques and learning how to respond to warning calls. Older siblings or helpers play an essential role in the upbringing of pups, teaching them how to handle prey safely. This mentorship ensures that the next generation is well prepared for survival in the harsh desert environment. Despite their resilience, meerkats face several threats, both natural and human-induced. Predation remains a constant danger, but habitat loss and climate change pose growing concerns. Expanding human settlements, agriculture, and mining activities have encroached upon their natural habitat, altering the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Additionally, meerkats are sometimes captured for the illegal pet trade. Though they may seem like cute, manageable pets, meerkats have complex social and environmental needs that make them unsuitable for captivity. Fortunately, meerkats have adapted well to human presence in some areas, and their populations remain relatively stable. Conservation efforts focus on preserving their habitats and promoting awareness of the importance of biodiversity in desert ecosystems. The meerkat's charm and intelligence have made them stars in wildlife documentaries, books, and even animated films. They were famously featured in the long-running television series Meerkat Manor, which provided an intimate look into the lives of individual meerkat groups. Additionally, Timon, the wisecracking meerkat from The Lion King, introduced these remarkable creatures to audiences worldwide. These portrayals have sparked public interest and admiration for meerkats, leading to increased research efforts and conservation initiatives to protect them and their fragile ecosystems. Meerkats symbolize the power of unity and adaptability. Through their cooperative behavior and survival instincts, they have managed to thrive in a landscape that offers little mercy. As we continue to learn more about these extraordinary creatures, they serve as a reminder of nature's brilliance and the interconnectedness of all living beings. Gap 3S. When it comes to diet, meerkats are both resourceful and skilled hunters. These omnivorous creatures primarily feast on insects, which make up a significant portion of their diet. Beetles, caterpillars, spiders, and scorpions are often on the menu, showcasing their impressive foraging abilities. Gap 2S. Utilizing their sharp claws and keen sense of smell, meerkats dig through the arid soil to uncover hidden prey. Their agility and teamwork come in handy during hunts, allowing them to efficiently capture their food. Gap 2S. But meerkats don't stop at insects, they also consume small vertebrates, eggs, and even plants when necessary. Their varied diet helps them adapt to the harsh conditions of their environment, ensuring they get the nutrients they need to survive. Gap 2S. One of the most fascinating aspects of meerkat hunting is their technique for dealing with venomous prey like scorpions. They skillfully remove the stinger before consumption, a testament to their intelligence and survival skills. Gap 2S. Through their diverse diet and adept hunting strategies, meerkats exemplify the resourcefulness needed to thrive in the wild. Their ability to find food in an unforgiving landscape is yet another reason why these creatures are so remarkable. Gap 3S. The habitat of meerkats is as fascinating as their diet. These resilient creatures are primarily found in the arid regions of southern Africa, where they have adapted to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. The key to their survival lies in their intricate burrow systems. Gap 2S. Meerkats are exceptional diggers, creating extensive underground networks of tunnels and chambers. These burrows serve as their homes, providing shelter from extreme temperatures and protection from predators. Gap 2S. A typical meerkat burrow can have multiple entrances and exits, allowing for quick escapes in times of danger. Inside, there are dedicated chambers for sleeping, nursing pups, and storing food. These complex structures are often shared by multiple meerkat families, fostering a sense of community and cooperation. Gap 2S. The burrow system also plays a crucial role in temperature regulation. During the scorching heat of the day, meerkats retreat to the cool underground chambers. At night, when temperatures drop, the burrows offer warmth and security. Gap 2S. The construction and maintenance of these burrows require teamwork and coordination, further highlighting the social nature of meerkats. By working together, they ensure the safety and comfort of their group, demonstrating once again their remarkable adaptability and resilience. Gap 2S. Meerkats are not solitary creatures in their ecosystem. They interact with a variety of other animals, both as allies and adversaries. Gap 2S. One of their most notable relationships is with the yellow mongoose. These two species often share burrows and even forage together, benefiting from each other's presence. The meerkat's keen eyesight and vigilance help in spotting predators, while the yellow mongoose contributes its own set of skills in finding food. Gap 2S. However, not all interactions are friendly. Meerkats must constantly be on the lookout for predators like snakes, eagles, and jackals. Their intricate burrow systems and cooperative defense strategies are essential for surviving these threats. Gap 2S. In addition to these predators, meerkats also compete with other small mammals for food and territory. Yet their social structure and teamwork give them a distinct advantage in these interactions. Gap 2S. Interestingly, meerkats also have a complex relationship with insects, which form a significant part of their diet. They employ different hunting techniques to capture various types of insects, showcasing their adaptability. Gap 2S. Through these interactions, meerkats play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem, demonstrating their importance beyond just their social groups. Gap 2S. By understanding these interactions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that sustains these fascinating creatures. Gap 2S. As the seasons change, so do the behaviors and routines of meerkats, showcasing their remarkable adaptability to varying weather conditions. Gap 2S. During the scorching summer months, meerkats alter their daily schedule to avoid the intense midday heat. Gap 2S. They become more active during the early morning and late afternoon when temperatures are cooler, to forage for food and engage in social activities. Gap 2S. Their burrows, with multiple entrances and chambers, provide a cool refuge from the sun, maintaining a comfortable temperature even in extreme heat. Gap 2S. In contrast, the winter months present a different set of challenges. Gap 2S. Meerkats huddle together for warmth during the cold nights, utilizing their communal living to conserve body heat. Gap 2S. They also adjust their foraging patterns, often delaying their emergence from the burrows until the sun has sufficiently warmed the ground. Gap 2S. In times of scarce food resources, meerkats rely heavily on their cooperative hunting techniques and the collective memory of the group to locate hidden food caches. Gap 2S. Rainy seasons bring their own set of adaptations. Gap 2S. The increased vegetation and insect activity provide abundant food sources, but also make the burrows prone to flooding. Gap 2S. Meerkats are quick to repair and reinforce their tunnels, ensuring the safety and stability of their homes. Gap 2S. They also take advantage of the moist soil to dig new tunnels and expand their burrow systems, preparing for future dry spells. Gap 2S. These seasonal behaviors highlight the meerkat's resilience and ingenuity in the face of changing environmental conditions. Gap 2S. By observing their adaptations, we gain insight into the survival strategies that have enabled meerkats to thrive in the harsh landscapes of their natural habitat. Gap 2S. This understanding not only enriches our knowledge of meerkats, but also underscores the intricate balance of nature where every season brings new challenges and opportunities for these fascinating creatures. Gap 2S meerkats play a crucial role in their ecosystem, acting as both predators and prey within the intricate web of life. Gap 2S. As voracious insectivores, meerkats help control the population of various insects, including pests that could otherwise damage vegetation and crops. Gap 2S. Their diet also includes small vertebrates, such as lizards and rodents, contributing to the balance of species in their habitat. Gap 2S. By digging for food, meerkats aerate the soil, promoting plant growth and enhancing nutrient cycling. Gap 2S. Their burrowing activities create a network of tunnels that provide shelter for other animals, such as insects, reptiles, and even small mammals, fostering biodiversity within their environment. Gap 2S. The presence of meerkat burrows can also influence the distribution of plant species, as their digging brings buried seeds to the surface, facilitating germination and dispersal. Gap 2S. Meerkats serve as prey for a range of predators, including birds of prey, snakes, and larger mammals, making them an integral part of the food chain. Gap 2S. Their vigilant behavior and alarm calls not only protect their own group, but also alert other animals to potential dangers, enhancing the overall safety of the ecosystem. Gap 2S. In this way, meerkats act as ecosystem engineers, shaping their environment and influencing the survival and behavior of other species. Gap 2S. Understanding the role of meerkats in their ecosystem provides a deeper appreciation of their importance beyond their social dynamics and survival strategies. Gap 2S. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance required to maintain healthy ecosystems. Gap 2S. By protecting meerkats and their habitats, we contribute to the conservation of the rich biodiversity that depends on their presence. Gap 2S. The impact of meerkats on their environment is a testament to the profound influence that even the smallest creatures can have on the world around them. Gap 2s. Meerkats possess several unique physical characteristics that contribute to their survival in the harsh environments they call home. Gap 2s. One of their most notable features is their exceptional vision. Gap 2s. With large eyes positioned on the sides of their heads, meerkats have a wide field of view, allowing them to detect predators from a distance. Gap 2s. Their eyes are also equipped with a special membrane that protects them from the sun's glare, enabling them to maintain vigilance even during the brightest parts of the day. Gap 2s. This keen eyesight is crucial for spotting threats and coordinating group activities. Gap 2s. Additionally, meerkats are known for their remarkable agility. Gap 2s. Their slender bodies and long limbs allow them to move swiftly and navigate the intricate tunnel systems they dig. Gap 2s. Their sharp claws are perfectly adapted for digging, enabling them to create extensive burrow networks that provide shelter and protection. Gap 2s. These claws are not only essential for excavating, but also for foraging, as meerkats use them to dig out insects and other prey from the ground. Gap 2s. Another distinctive feature is their tail, which acts as a balancing tool. Gap 2s. When standing on their hind legs to survey their surroundings, meerkats use their tails to maintain stability, allowing them to stay alert for extended periods. Gap 2s. Their fur, while appearing uniform, serves multiple purposes. Gap 2s. It provides insulation against the cold desert nights and protection from the intense daytime heat. Gap 2s. The coloration of their fur also offers camouflage, blending with the arid landscape to help them avoid detection by predators. Gap 2s. These physical adaptations, combined with their social behaviors, make meerkats highly resilient and capable of thriving in challenging environments. Gap 2s. By understanding the unique physical characteristics of meerkats, we gain insight into how they have evolved to survive and thrive in their natural habitats. Gap 2s. Their specialized traits are a testament to the incredible adaptability of life in the wild. Gap 2s. In the next scene, we will delve into the seasonal behaviors and adaptations that further highlight the meerkat's remarkable ability to navigate their world. Throughout history, meerkats have captured the imaginations of various cultures, leading to an array of myths and legends that highlight their enigmatic presence in the wild. In African folklore, meerkats are often seen as symbols of vigilance and communal living. Some tribes believe that meerkats possess the ability to warn humans of impending danger, acting as guardians of the savanna. This belief likely stems from their natural behavior of standing sentinel and alerting their group to threats. In other cultures, meerkats are thought to possess mystical powers. For instance, some stories tell of meerkats transforming into other animals or even humans to interact with the world in different forms. These tales often emphasize the meerkat's cunning and adaptability, traits that are evident in their real-life behaviors. In modern popular culture, meerkats have often been anthropomorphized, appearing in children's stories and animated films as wise and clever characters. These portrayals, while fictional, draw on the real-life traits of meerkats, such as their intelligence, social nature, and alertness, to create endearing and memorable figures in storytelling. These myths and legends reflect the deep respect and fascination that humans have for meerkats. They showcase how these small animals have left a significant mark on human culture and imagination, transcending their physical presence in the wild to become symbols of various human attributes and values. As we continue to explore the world of meerkats, it's important to remember that these stories, while rooted in fiction, highlight the very real qualities that make meerkats such remarkable creatures. Their influence on human culture is a testament to their unique characteristics and the enduring bond between humans and the natural world. In the realm of scientific research, meerkats have been the focus of numerous studies that aim to unravel the complexities of their social behavior and survival strategies. Researchers have found meerkats to be a fascinating subject due to their highly structured social systems and cooperative behaviors, which provide valuable insights into the evolution of sociality in animals. One of the most notable long-term studies on meerkats is the Kalahari Meerkat Project, initiated in the early 1990s. This project has provided an in-depth look at the lives of meerkats in their natural habitat, documenting their social interactions, reproductive strategies, and survival tactics. Through continuous observation and data collection, scientists have gained a comprehensive understanding of how meerkats communicate, raise their young, and defend their territories. Genetic studies have also played a crucial role in meerkat research. By analyzing the DNA of individual meerkats, researchers have been able to trace lineage and understand the genetic basis of social behaviors. These studies have revealed that kin selection plays a significant role in the cooperative nature of meerkat groups, where individuals assist in raising the offspring of relatives, thus ensuring the survival of shared genes. Behavioral experiments have further illuminated the cognitive abilities of meerkats. For instance, problem-solving tasks and observational learning experiments have demonstrated that meerkats possess a high level of intelligence and can learn from the experiences of others within their group. This ability to learn and adapt is vital for their survival in the harsh environments they inhabit. Moreover, the study of meerkat vocalizations has uncovered a complex system of communication. Researchers have identified a variety of calls used for different purposes, such as alerting the group to predators, coordinating group movements, and maintaining social bonds. This intricate vocal repertoire underscores the importance of communication in maintaining the social cohesion and efficiency of meerkat groups. The findings from these scientific studies not only enhance our understanding of meerkats, but also contribute to broader ecological and evolutionary theories. By studying meerkats, scientists can draw parallels to other social animals, including humans, and gain insights into the fundamental principles that govern social living. As research continues, the ongoing study of meerkats promises to reveal even more about these remarkable creatures. Each discovery adds another layer to our appreciation of meerkats and highlights the importance of conserving their natural habitats to ensure that future generations can continue to learn from and be inspired by these incredible animals. As we look towards the future, the survival of meerkats hinges on both ongoing and new conservation efforts, as well as the management of emerging threats. The delicate balance of their ecosystems is increasingly threatened by human activities, climate change, and habitat destruction, making the role of conservation more critical than ever. Conservation organizations and researchers are working tirelessly to ensure that meerkats and their habitats are protected. This includes initiatives to preserve the Kalahari Desert, where many meerkat populations thrive. Efforts are focused on maintaining the natural landscapes, which are essential for meerkat survival, and promoting sustainable practices that minimize human impact. Climate change poses a significant threat to meerkats, as shifts in weather patterns can affect their food sources and the suitability of their habitats. Rising temperatures and unpredictable rainfall can lead to droughts, reducing the availability of insects and other prey. Conservationists are studying these impacts closely and developing strategies to mitigate them, ensuring that meerkats can adapt to changing conditions. Human expansion and agricultural development continue to encroach on meerkat territories. Protecting these areas from further encroachment is vital. Community-based conservation programs aim to involve local populations in the stewardship of meerkat habitats, promoting coexistence and mutual benefits. Education and awareness campaigns play a pivotal role in conservation efforts. By educating the public about the importance of meerkats and the challenges they face, conservationists hope to foster a sense of responsibility and inspire action. Public support can drive policy changes and increase funding for critical conservation projects. The future of meerkats also relies on continued scientific research. By understanding their behavior, genetics, and ecology, scientists can develop more effective conservation strategies. Studies on meerkat resilience and adaptability provide insights into how these animals can cope with environmental changes and inform broader conservation practices. In conclusion, the fate of meerkats is intertwined with the health of their ecosystems and the actions we take today. Through dedicated conservation efforts, research, and public awareness, we can help ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. The future of meerkats is in our hands, and with collective effort we can secure a brighter tomorrow for them. As we come to the end of our journey through the captivating world of meerkats, let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've explored. From the vibrant and intricate social structures that define their groups, to the cooperative behaviors that ensure their survival, meerkats have demonstrated the power of unity and teamwork. We've delved into their daily lives, understanding the various roles each member plays and how these roles contribute to the overall success of the group. Their communication skills are nothing short of remarkable, with a complex system of vocalizations and body language that allows them to coordinate activities and warn each other of impending dangers. We've also seen how they defend their territories and young ones, showcasing bravery and collective strength. The future of meerkats is a topic of concern and hope. Conservation efforts are critical to preserving their habitats and ensuring that they can adapt to environmental changes. The involvement of local communities and the importance of public awareness cannot be overstated. As we've learned, meerkats are more than just adorable creatures. They are resilient, intelligent, and integral to their ecosystems. Their presence enriches the biodiversity of the Kalahari Desert and other regions they inhabit. In conclusion, our fascination with meerkats goes beyond their charming appearance. They embody the essence of cooperation, adaptability, and survival. The lessons we can learn from their way of life are profound and inspiring. Let us continue to support conservation efforts and cherish the natural world, ensuring that meerkats and countless other species can thrive for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the incredible world of meerkats. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel and stay updated with our latest content.